Yo guys, what's up? Shadow here and welcome back to another episode of Space Engineers. We are still in the guts of our ship, as you can see, and the connecting of all these conveyor blocks and all the fixing of all this stuff. It's gonna continue this episode. I'm not quite sure how far I'm gonna get, honestly, but I'm trying, okay? I'm trying. Oh, man. But yeah, you know, we're just trying to make this work. We're trying to get this all done with as fast as we can. And I think we should start, for the most part, with the construction here, with these steel plates that we still have to weld. They're all over the place. I think that's the first thing I should do. You know, the integrity of the ship is important. And then it looks like I left a space here for the vent, if that makes sense. Then another one here. Oh, and I guess another. Well, there is already an air vent here, so that's fine. The problem is if I left a gap here, is I'll have to. Well, I'll have to check how that's gonna work, because it's probably gonna be great, and then the vent is gonna be placed. Ooh, I don't know. We'll have to check once we get to there. This will burn that bridge once we cross it, or how does that saying go? Anyway, let's just start welding these things up here. For the integrity of our ship, for the sake of the integrity, so to speak. And then we'll continue with the next round of... let's make some more. With the next round of conveyor improvements, but first, yeah. The floor needs to hold up, and the ceiling too. Whole bunch of stuff I need to do. You know, once I saw the ship flying, I was like, technically I'm finished. But then again, not for a long time I will be finished. There's a whole bunch of stuff I need to do here, as you can see. Lots of small little plates to fix, but I think that's the biggest part here. That's already good. We can actually also look for steel plates. We can look for these as well and just collect them out of the assemblers, look like that. Let's do this part here, shall we? Then at least this floor will have its ceiling already done. That's... Or at least on this side. I think on the other side there's still a hole as well. There we go. But yeah, the good thing is we can really just access all our resources through the system. That's already a big advantage here. Otherwise this would take like 10 times longer at least. With all the flying in, flying out, finding my way out of the ship and everything, that will take ages. So yeah, there we go, more steel plates fresh off the press. And then that side will be a-okay. Almost, at least. Alright, one more load, I think. And then we might be through. Yes, yes, sure. Oh, wait, I'll have to check where I can refill. If I run out of energy in here and I can't get to a station in time, that's gonna be awkward. Not quite finished, but almost. Excellent. Okay, so that's done. The rest of that we'll just put into the ceiling here. Just so we don't forget that one. There we go. Okay, let's go and gonna go down here around to the cryo facilities and just hop in one of these bad boys if I can. There we go. Come on. There. That should fill up everything just nice. And yeah. That's also a lot quicker than always going back to the station and refilling there. And it looks like at least all the important stuff, gases and energy, is a-okay. Okay. Now, I think we can continue with this. So, let me get... actually, something like that, maybe? There we go. Okay, conveyors. So, this will go to here, and then, well, we'll have to deal with this situation here. I think we can put a vent just here in this block. I think we can do that. And then we'll get a catwalk. No, not this one, this one. And we'll get the new lights, I think, perhaps. Because I do really like the light panels to actually, you know, fit the catwalks. I really like that as a idea. So these are gonna go here. And then there's a catwalk. Well, I have to kind of do this from above, otherwise I'm gonna lock myself out, kinda. So that's gonna go there. We need a girder. Real quick. And then we'll also need a few steel plates, just so we can... I think we only need one girder, yes. A few steel plates, so we can place down the vent then. That's gonna be important. Oh, 4 girders, damn it. Yeah, shit, I should have, again, used the building planner. I should use that a lot more. I always... The problem... Well, I say the problem. It's not like I couldn't fix that, but the issue here is that I basically... Survival mode I play once a week. And between that I play a whole bunch of other games. And so in that week time I often forget about like small things, you know? Especially about things that I don't really use that often, like the build planner. So, yeah. Apologies, but I'm trying. Oh, fuck. Obviously my inventory is packed. Let me just do this. So, now we can get more girders. 2 more we need now. And then the rest is gonna be these bad boys. Okay. So now we can get this. And now, here comes the vent. We're gonna put it like this. Also need computers. 5 computers needed. Oh god, again? I should have just... What is it? Middle mouse button? Ah. Anyway. Oh yeah, because I had the stuff in my inventory. That's why it didn't work, I think. Okay. Now, from here... This will go in this direction. Until it reaches here. Here we have to put in a junction. So this will connect to the upper deck then. If I see this correctly. More interior plates needed. Got it. I'll have to fill up anyway, and we can get rid of the steel plates. There we go. Okay, and now this one goes out. Let me just think here for a second. Yeah, we'll have to move this thing. Otherwise we will lock ourselves in here. Basically. Okay. Let me actually get rid of that and get our oh, we have the container already on the quick bar. Excellent. Let's get that. Let's get the collar again. Just so we know. Slap that on this side. Excellent. Now, yeah, we'll probably do it with redundancy, so we'll place a junction here. And then one side is gonna go over here. You know what a cool block would be? A conveyor block that basically gives you a section to walk to. Basically like a conveyor block that splits into many different pipes. Some go up, some go down. You know, so that it creates kind of like a doorway. That would be a cool block, wouldn't it be? Especially for like installations like this one here I'm doing. Because it's kind of difficult to make this work, really. But yeah. Okay, so that's connected. Now over here we need 5 computers, 30 steel plates, and the rest I have. 5 computers, 5, not freaking 5,000. And 30 of you. And then we'll also fill up our components again. Oh, and obviously 14 more, yeah. Obviously. Of course. There we go. So that already has a thingy, I think. A grid in front of it. So this is I think it's called oxygen, or is it called gas storage? I think it might be called gas storage. Yeah, it is gas storage. I see I have a lot of errands I didn't name, but I'm just trying, you know. Storage vent. There we go. And then, oh, the other one I didn't name either. Ah, fuck. Oh, well. Let's see. So this goes in that direction. And then here we're gonna have another conveyor junction. Right. There. Another junction complete. Now it's gonna get fairly complicated, I'd say. Oh wait, I can actually, the catwalk, obviously it can be attached to the oxygen tanks, so I don't have to worry about it. Okay, cool. So we can pull that off quite easily. Oh wait, is there, hold on, is there none in that other storage place, or is that, no, that's not directly connected. Ah, we need a vent here as well. Right below the VR grid, so to speak. Okay, that's all of those. Now we'll need 12 girders to finish these off. There we go, components added, and now I can just go here. Boom. Technically. But yeah, we should have done it for everything. Now it's still missing 8 girders. Let me get those real quick. Oh wait, I think I just put them into the production cube, perhaps. Oh well. Right. We have that. We have... Oh, we're missing some pipes. Let's get some of those. Good. Good. And good. Very good indeed. Now, next step. Putting all the vents down. Which means we'll need a whole bunch of that. My goodness. Yeah, this will take a bit of time here. My god. Okay, so here's 1. There's 2. And then there's 3. Actually, I want to turn this one around. Yeah, this direction is fine. Okay, components added. Components added. Components added. Can I not withdraw because I'm not directly connected to the inventory? Is that the problem? That might be the problem, huh? That's fine. We're gonna do it the old-fashioned way then. Okay, so this is our first vent. Let's just go and name that one since we're already here. Gas storage, oxygen 1 vent. I think I have 2 rooms with oxygens if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, that's the second one. I need also 2 displays. Wait. What? Oh, why am I making a cargo container? What the fuck? That was weird. I need to get rid of a few components. Hold on. That was strange. I was kind of thinking, why can I not finish this one, but I could easily finish the last vent? I thought I had enough components, and I do. If I would get the right block. But yeah, there you go. This is... gas storage, oxygen 2 vent, and then this one is the gas storage, oxygen 3. No, not oxygen. This is the hydrogen vent. Right? Yeah, it is. Good. So now the only thing that is, well, the only thing, as if that's gonna be a short thing or anything. Is to connect all of these bad boys, and yeah, that's gonna be a bit of an annoying task, as you can tell, because that's gonna be a whole bunch of vents, or rather a whole bunch of conveyor blocks and conveyor junctions, like that. Wherever I can, I will just use the normal conveyor blocks, but yeah, it's not gonna work everywhere, unfortunately. Then I'm gonna use... actually, I'll have to do this afterwards, because otherwise I can't get to it anymore. So let's start welding. Let's just start one end at a time. Just slapping all the blocks down that we have. My goodness. And then probably we'll have to move the container. Actually, let's do this right now, because now we have the inventory space to do it easily. We'll move it. Oh, damn it. We kind of forgot the thing. This thing. There, bright pink. Excellent. Now, let's get rid of this, and let's get ourselves a whole bunch of blocks. Components, I mean. Okay. Oh, can we get to that? Yes, we can. Good. Getting rid of all the components. And getting a whole bunch of new ones. Yes. So that connects all of these tanks. Right. And then we'll have to weld this bad boy. Then we can start on the other side too. There we go. Alright. Let's start over here. Oh, we didn't even put that one in. Not yet, anyway. Did I fill my inventory with weird stuff? Why? What the hell? Why can I not? The heck? Somehow I completely neglected to fill my inventory with construction components. Hold on. What? Did we really run out of construction components? What the heck? Quickly! Assemble! My goodness. How could such a thing happen? Complete oversight on my part there. But yeah, construction components are so numerously used. I probably should up that number a bit, shouldn't I? There we go. 10,000 hopefully should do the trick. Now, that's done. Done. And done. Okay, now this one still needs to be connected. Let me think. So here a normal tube will run its course. And then around junction down. And then we're probably gonna just do junction, 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 and then the rest will connect up right there. Makes the most sense to me anyhow. And then soon enough we'll move our cargo container once more. Yeah, now we have to there we go. Let's get 130, that's fine. Then let's get 100 of you. Actually, I don't need that many of you. 40 of you, about 100 of you. Yeah, fine. Fine. Okay, everything good so far. Now, we at least need 2 more here, 2 more here, 1 here and 1 here. Then these go down like that. And then the same thing is gonna happen here. Excellent, okay. Get rid of all the components. Getting rid of that and putting it up anew. Let's actually put it here. That's probably a better choice. Also, it's always still a check if that connection still works. It's kind of a function check every time. I like it. Right, we need more construction components. Very good. Oh, we don't have that many, don't we? Jeez. I'll have to fill up immediately, basically, after this. Okay, that's connected. Oh, and we have to, yeah, we'll have to sit in the tank real quick after this. Let's get more construction. Let's get 200 this time. Okay. Just a few small tubes missing. Yeah, let's go fill up our tanks real quick. But yeah, progress. That was like my minimum, or my projected goal for today, to get rid of the freaking problem that we have with the oxygen and the storage. Well, my energy consumption is actually a bit wonky at the moment. It swaps between 9 hours and 4 days. 9 hours and 4 days, something like that. So, well, I guess it's right because it's connected to my main system, and my main system is using power at the moment to construct stuff. So maybe that could be the issue here. Okay. Let's see. Need a bunch of those this time around. And while we're here, let's load up on those as well. Good. Finish these two. And now the last part. Hold on. There we go. That's the right color. Gonna run this conveyor tube for... Oh, I just see. It's that one I missed. Good. And that one will run all the way to here. And then all the way... Whoops. All the way over here. Into this. And then all of that will happen. Actually, no, wait. We'll use, again, the curved tubes here, because they take a little bit less material. It's a little bit more efficient. I'm not sure if efficient is the right word to use here, but it uses a little bit less material. Ecological? Maybe that's the right word. Oh, shit. Actually, because of that gap up here, I can have the ability to get to these pipes a bit more easily, which is nice. Good convenient accident, I think, is what we call that. Okay, let me get another round of actually just I just want to move these into this inventory. Oh, it actually auto moved them because there's so many of them now. Good, which means we now can more easily get ourselves a loadout like that. Excellent. Okay, that pipe is almost connected. Excellent. Another load, please. Now we're quick. Okay, we need more construction components. I can see that. Very good indeed. Okay. Not much more needed now, I'd say. Right. Let's get this done. Ow. Status. I think the tanks, the cryo tanks, they do not really heal me, do they? Okay, more construction components needed, just a few, and then we got it. At least this part we got. My god. I thought, you know, last time I thought maybe I can do the whole other half next time, but then again, this issue here took a bit longer than expected. Okay. Let me return all of this. Then we'll move our container again. Our little pink container. Slap it. We'll slap it on here for now. And now I just want to get a bunch of steel plates. Just to finish this off here for today. Cleaning up all these slabs of unfinished plates. And then there's a whole bunch of unfinished stuff up here for some reason. I'm not quite sure why there's so much unfinished. Hold on. Do I have the right color? Yeah, I think that's the right color. I'm not quite sure why there's so much unfinished room up here. It's not supposed to be. At least as far as I can remember. Maybe it's just because the geometry of a room above it that there is so much room here. But it is kind of odd. But we'll fill it out. Make it more durable. Also make the whole thing a bit more heavy, but hey, there you go. Actually, now for this work, our container is a bit too far away now. Technically speaking, but yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna clean up a few more of these messy iron plates here. Or blocks, rather. And then I think I'm gonna be done for today. Did some good work, though. I'm confident that next time we'll be able to finish the whole section, the whole maintenance deck this time. That would be very nice indeed. Okay. You know what I was thinking just now? It would be kind of good if you could access your inventory through conveyor points, but you know, without having to put an inventory on it, so I could just grab into here and pull something out. It's probably kind of complicated to do that, because I have the feeling to be able to do that the block must have an inventory, so you can pull stuff into, and conveyor blocks shouldn't have inventories, obviously, because otherwise that's gonna make things a lot more messy and a lot more complicated. But it would be kind of nice if they could manage to do this, that you can just access a conveyor point if you own the grid, so to speak. Not everybody should be able to do that. But yeah, would make this job here a lot easier, you know, but I mean, I can deal with it. It's not too much trouble, but still, you know, it's just quality of life improvement, that would be. But then again, I don't know, maybe that's just completely foreign in concept, what I'm thinking here. You know what? I'm gonna grab one more load of steel plates, and I'm gonna see how far I get here. And then I'm done for today. Good workload. Good workload we got done. The whole freaking oxygen chamber is now connected. Oxygen, gas storage, hydrogen storage, everything's connected up. Which means next time we put a bunch of ice into our system, it's gonna store into these tanks equally in oxygen and hydrogen, which is kind of neat, you know? So we'll pretty this up a bit. Putting down all the steel plates, cutting away this bad boy because that's wrong. There we go, up to here at least, you know? And you can see it's still here, it leaves a lot of room for like gravity generators and stuff like that. You know what, I kind of want to finish this layer here. At least that, you know? That we don't have done something more than just the oxygen-hydrogen complex. So let's just finish this situation. And then obviously energy is low too. That's perfect. Perfect to end on basically. But I think I need another load here. Yeah, of course. Of course I do. But that's good. The ship's integrity is getting better and better now. It's also gonna look a lot more finished from the inside every minute. It looks a little bit better. Okay, let's just use these up while we're here. And that's it. Excellent. Okay, so yeah, that's our work for today. All these bad boys, that's nice. A good amount of connections have been established, I think. Very nice. Okay, so next time, the connection here is gonna run into this situation here. Then we'll connect this one up, this, and this. And then back to over here. And then we basically have the whole round completed. Which is nice. And then, guess what? I have to do it on the upper maintenance deck all again. Oh well. But you know, after that, I think the ship's functionality is gonna be pretty on top, I think. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and take care.